Hey gang, Jesse here, EC Auto Repair. I want to talk to you about some good ideas, some good driving habits. And so first and foremost, I'll preface this with, I am not a driving instructor, but I will tell you from a mechanic's side of how you can further extend the life of your car, how you can be a safer driver. And there's a lot of insurance companies that will either have you install an app on your phone, or they'll give you a dongle that you plug into the OBD2 port so they can monitor your driving to see exactly how you're driving. A couple of the things that they're looking for to learn from your phone or from the OBD2 port on the vehicle is how do you accelerate. So I've ridden with a lot of people, and some people really scare me the way they drive, and some people actually drive so safely that it's not safe anymore. Meaning they just take their sweet time getting into traffic or getting up to speed, meanwhile causing a slowdown behind them and just really disrupting the flow of traffic. The main thing is whenever you're driving, whenever you accelerate, you don't want to just put the pedal down to the floor everywhere you go and burning through town like a maniac. You want to drive aware of your surroundings, aware that a pedestrian could be crossing the street that you haven't seen yet, a kid could be riding a bicycle, somebody could pull out in front of you. Are you driving defensively so that you're able to stop within a moment's notice and with some awareness? So if you're getting on the interstate, you just want to accelerate and get up to speed at a fairly recent rate, but you shouldn't be redlining the car to get up to speed. Just run the car normal. Just run it 2,000-3,000 RPM, but get up to speed. Don't be going so slow that you're impeding the traffic behind you, but don't be going so fast that you're being reckless either. It's hard on the vehicle to be accelerated to the red line over and over and over again. All those parts are moving way faster than they're designed to be moved. And so those things accelerate the wear of your transmission, the wear of your engine, the wear of your powertrain, your tires, your steering components, all those different things. The more speed you have, the more pressure that those take. Oklahoma Highway Patrol also sends out advisories all the time that speed kills. So excessive speeds in excess of 100 miles an hour are not safe. They're dangerous, and so therefore, and these cars are not on a racetrack, so therefore they're not designed to go 100 miles an hour down the interstate. So couple of things to keep in mind. One of the things that my app measures, because I'm with AAA insurance and they have an app on my phone, one of the things they measure is how abruptly that I brake. And so every once in a while I'll get a notice and it says, hey, you braked too abruptly, meaning I just slammed on the brakes, or I came to a stop too quickly, meaning it didn't feel like I was in control of the vehicle. So there's no need to come up to a stop sign at 60, 70 miles an hour. You see the light's red, you see the stop sign, go ahead and let off the gas, let the car begin to coast, gently apply the brakes so that you're not causing excessive heat on your brake drums or rotors, whichever the case is, and you're not causing excessive wear on your brakes by using them all the time to stop. And what would happen if your brakes failed and you couldn't stop? There's that too. So you want to be in control of your vehicle at all times. Just a couple of tips. And first and lastly, if you're driving slower than the traffic, stay in the right lane. Stay in the lane that you're not supposed to be in. The left lane's for passing in Oklahoma. So do not impede traffic in the left lane. A couple tips from a friendly mechanic. See ya.